Welcome back to another fun and exciting episode of It's Easier to Take It Somewhere Else. And in this case, it's definitely going to be easier to take it somewhere else. I'm getting my house painted and they're coming to power wash today. Matter of fact, I think they might be pulling up now. But we're going with a darker gray and a white top. Going for a complete color change. They're not going to be painting the porch. I'm going to be taking care of that. We got a lot of mold and stuff on the front above the roof. Sorry about the shaky camera, but it's the best you're going to get. I'm hand holding everything. I did this about 20 years ago or more, way more than maybe 25 years ago. It held up well, but it's just showing its age. Okay. That's it for now. No more mold. Ground crew. Certa Pro. It's looking better already. Looking like it doesn't even need to be painted. I brought the color back. But we're going with a different color anyway. We're going with a darker color. We'll do a little bit more later on. I think you guys gotta get the idea. We went from the front of the house to the side of the house to the back of the house, and now we're off to the other side of the house. I say we, but I mean they. Well, this looks like it's just about it. All done. all ready for paint. That should be next week sometime. Look at that, all nice and clean. Well done, guys?
Yes, sir. Good. Va, está bien.
Alrighty, day 2. They're here. Kind of hard to see. Hi. Is this okay? Okay. Looking better already. It's hard at work. Nice. Very nice. I'm liking this color. I'm liking this a lot. This is only the first coat. This is the original color. This is a darker gray. I don't know if this is not coming out the greatest, but I'm liking this. The white against the gray. It looks very nice. It's in the shadows, it's hard to tell. Look at that. Boy, these guys are moving right along. Holy crap. Working hard. Working really hard. And fast. Another walk around. I'm loving it. I don't know how many coats are on here, if it's one or two, but if it's one, I'm quite impressed. Through the camera, it looks a little blue, but it's gray. I'm very happy with it. Extremely happy. Yep. These guys are working their asses off. It's a little windy out. This is yet another walk around. I am absolutely loving it. This is definitely a project that it's easier to take it somewhere else. They're going to do on the inside of the front porch right now. And the front porch is going to be my job. That and the garage. Looks like a whole nother house. Very happy. Got to get an awning for the front, for the side door. The other one was beat to crap from ice falling on it, and just age in general. Yeah, loving it. Absolutely loving it. This is the final walk around. The guys left yesterday. They finished up. This is definitely a job where it was easier to take it somewhere else. Sorry about the sun glare. There we go. Now comes my part. The front porch and the garage. Really, really looking forward to that. In case you don't know what sarcasm is, That was it. We did have a mishap. It was windy as hell yesterday. And I guess one of the guys, we got some screens to replace when they did the power washing. It's kind of screwed things up. But I'll get them. I'm not going to worry about bothering the guy about that. But we did have a mishap yesterday. The wind blew open this, well, it didn't blow it open. It was left ajar, and when it blew open, it put a dent in the house, cracked the tile. Can't see it. There it is. Got to get it at the right angle. Put a crack in the siding. It blew open all the way. And when I say all the way, I mean all the way, because this this wood got pulled all out. They did a kind of a piss poor, rushed repair job, so I guess nobody would notice, but I'm gonna have to address that. The guy at CertaPro, he called this morning, and I told him about it. I didn't realize that in the beginning, in the very beginning, I didn't realize that door had swung open and hit the side of the house. I thought maybe they bumped it with a ladder, but no, it's the same height as the door handle and the same distance away when the door is wide open. Excuse me, when the door is wide open. So what we're going to do is, I have a replacement tile that resembles cedar shakes. It's a cement tile that resembles cedar shakes. And I'm going to swap this broken tile out with a full tile from the back of the house, so it matches the rest of the house. I'll take a full size one, and I'll just replace it. And I got some wood in the garage that I'll replace what I need to of where the screen door connects to the house.